Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and you're getting a CE error and you're wondering what's going on and how can you get rid of it. So the CE error is basically you have a main control board and then you have a control board that controls the motor specifically, how fast it spins and everything like that. And sometimes there's a communication error between the two of them. So, and if you get this, then it will stop working and it will give you this error. So this could be a lot of things going on here. It could be a problem with the motor control board, the main control board, or any of the wiring in between. And if it's any of those things, you're going to need to call a technician because this is not localized, unfortunately, to one place. But what you can do is just clear it out, hit stop cancel, clear it out, and even just turn it off, disconnect it from power, and leave it disconnected from power for about 5 minutes. Then reconnect it. And sometimes these kind of internal communication errors can get worked out and debugged just by doing a hard restart. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.